Today I am going to show you how you can solve reCaptcha to with Selenium Python using 2captcha API. Okay, let's see how it's work. First, go to your 2captcha account and find the API key. Now go to the reCaptcha link and find the data site key from your elements. Here I am using some Selenium and request code for solving this reCaptcha. Also using some JavaScript for submit button. Open your 2captcha account and go to API doc file and find the reCaptcha v2 for understanding well. Now I am going to run this reCaptcha v2 py file. Now you can see reCaptcha is fully verified. I am really appreciating you for watching this video. Thank you.